ECOVACS has just launched the latest and most powerful robot vacuum yet. Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone. But is it really as powerful and practical as they claim? This is the new flagship robot vacuum and mop, promising extremely strong suction, automatic mop, washing, and bagless OmniCyclone station. Now, robot vacuums are nothing new, but this one claims to solve some of the biggest problems people usually face: hair tangles, constant maintenance, and weak suction on stubborn dirt. And since I have cats at home, there's always pet hair on the floor. So, this is going to be a real home test to see if this robot can actually handle it. So, let's start with the unboxing. So, this is the box it comes in. Everything is packed very well and nothing was damaged during shipping. Inside the box, we get the robot vacuum itself and also get the OmniCyclone base station, which is where most of the automation happens. These things included in the box, which is power cable, 2 cleaning solution, and user manuals. The station is actually quite large, but that's because it does much more than just charging the robot. It can automatically empty the dust, wash the mop with hot water, and dry it. So in theory, you don't need to interact with the robot very often. First, let's talk about the design. The robot itself has a clean and premium look with the typical round robot vacuum shape. On the top, you get the LiDAR navigation sensor, which scans your home and creates a smart map for navigation. The brush system has also been upgraded. It now features the Zero Tangle 4.0 technology, which is designed to reduce hair wrapping around the brush. This is especially useful if you have pets like I do. ECOVACS also upgraded the OZMO ROLLER mop, which is now 50% longer and twice as wide, allowing the robot to clean floors faster and more efficiently. Another improvement is the enhanced airflow design, which helps guide dust, debris, and pet hair more efficiently into the suction system for better overall cleaning performance. Before starting, you need to fill the water tank. I added about 3 liters of water into the cleaning tank and powered the cleaning solution into the solution containers. And after connecting the robot to Wi-Fi, I was actually impressed by the AI voice assistance, which guided me step by step on what to do.
DEEBOT starting mapping and will automatically learn every corner of your home. You don't need to follow it during the process. Mapping time varies depending on the house size, usually 5 to 15 minutes.
Then I started mapping the entire house. The robot scanned my home and created the map in about 15 minutes. And it only used about 10% of the battery, which is pretty efficient. Maybe I should first show you the most important feature of this robot. This is called FocusJet stain pre-treatment, and this is what really makes this robot different. So instead of just scrubbing the floor like most robot mops, this one uses FocusJet to spray water directly onto the stain, softening it, and then Osmo ROLLER 3.0 comes in and starts cleaning. And the result? You can see the stain is removed in a single pass without spreading it around. And this is the key difference. It's not just cleaning, it's actually treating the stain first. And honestly, this is something I don't usually see in robot vacuums. Inside the mobile app, you can adjust different settings like suction power and cleaning modes. When it comes to suction power, this robot is seriously powerful. It delivers up to 46,000 PA with the FocusJet system and 22,000 PA real airflow suction, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums available right now. The strong airflow combined with the anti-tangle brush helps pick up pet hair without clothing, which is very important if you have pets or long hair everywhere in the house. That's going to help. To test this properly, I scattered some dust, cat hair, and small debris on the carpet. As the robot passes over it, you can clearly see everything getting picked up very nicely. So this is not just about high numbers, it's about real airflow and real cleaning performance. As I told you, it has AIVI 3D smart navigation with LiDAR sensor, so it can also detect obstacles and avoid things like cables, furniture legs, shoes, or anything. It also features TruePass 4-wheel drive climbing, which helps it move smoothly across different surface and room transitions. Another useful feature is the carpet first cleaning strategy, where it vacuums carpets first and then moves hard floors. Plus, it has a 50 meters roller lift, which automatically lifts the roller when it detects carpets, so your carpets stay dry. About this robot uses TrueEdge 3.0, where the roller actually extends outward to reach closer to walls and corners. If you look closely, you can see it clearly right along the edge, removing dust that usually gets left behind. This also makes a big difference because normally you would still need to clean edges manually, but here it's doing a much better job on its own. Since my home has tile floors, the robot automatically recognizes the surface and adjusted the cleaning mode. And if you have wooden floors or other floors, the AI system can also choose the appropriate settings. I was honestly surprised by the cleaning results. The floor looks really clean and almost like they were freshly washed. There was no pet hair, no dust, and no dirt, which made me pretty happy because I live on 27th floor and I have two cats at home and there's actually hair. Now let's do a real world test to see how powerful this robot really is. I put a lot of ketchup on the floor to simulate a tough spill and check how well it can clean it. In the app, I selected the specific area I want the robot to clean and choose the vacuum and mop mode, which can vacuum and after that it will mop. Once it started cleaning, the robot moved over the area and began removing the ketchup. After just a few minutes, the results were really impressive. The floor was completely clean with no ketchup left behind, and when the cleaning was finished, the robot automatically returned to the base station where the mop was washed with the hot water automatically. So overall, in this real world test, the robot handled the mess surprisingly well and cleaned the floor without any problem. When the vacuum returns to the base station after cleaning, the station also washes the mop with hot water, which helps keep it clean after every run. It also supports fast power boost charging, allowing up to 13% battery recovery in just 3 minutes during mop washing, which is quite impressive.
Let's start washing the roller mop with hot water.
Instead of using disposable dust bags, this system uses a cyclone dust separation system, similar to cyclone vacuum cleaners. That means you don't need to keep buying replacement dust bags, which is better for long-term maintenance. There are two versions available, the X12 OmniCyclone with a bagless system and the X12 Pro Omni with a traditional dust bag design. Both are available on the website, so please check that out. Another useful feature is the built-in camera on the robot. Through the mobile app, you can open the live camera view and see what the robot sees in the real time. And the robot also supports night vision and has a small front light, so it can still navigate and detect obstacles even in dark environments. You can also manually control the robot from the app, allowing you to move the vacuum around the house and check different areas if needed. So if you want to check a specific area or see what your pets are doing at home, you can simply control the robot and move it wherever you want. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone is high-end and fully automatic cleaning system. And if you have pets like I do, the strong suction and anti-tangle system really make a difference. So if you want a powerful, low-maintenance robot vacuum, this one is the most advanced option right now. And I will put the link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.